welcome to Mommy channel.
Oh. Are you seeing Mommy?
Hey. Hi guys. Today we want to wash these clothes. Are you guys ready to wash these clothes?
Yeah.
So,
Are you ready to meet baby Taji?
Yes.
Sure.
Yeah.
by the time you guys are going to see this video, baby Taji will be here, right?
Oh my god.
So we want to wash these clothes. First we want to sort them out, the small ones and the big ones, and then we are going to wash them.
Like
Are you ready?
yes.
See baby
Are you
brother.
ready?
Yes.
Are you ready, mommy? You
Yes.
want to come and sit here with me, mama? Okay, come
Go.
and sit here with me. Sit here.
Okay.
Bring the basin.
The basin is here.
Okay, bring one.
What's the basin?
Just bring
Yeah.
one.
This one is mine.
That one is for you.
This one.
Okay.
Yours and baby Taji.
Yours and for baby Taji. So we'll start by sorting them out.
This one is mine. That one is mine.
Okay.
That one is mine.
So we have this.
Give me.
This
Give
is
me mine.
This is a ini onesie ama wanaita nini? We have this one.
Is mine.
Yes, mama, this one is for you. You are the one to put them in the basin. And this one?
This one is. That one is for me. Huh?
Most of these clothes I bought them from Nila Baby Shop. And if you want new clothes, you can find them. If you want thrifted clothes, so this first set is thrifted clothes from Nila. And we also have others which are
Oh, it's so cute.
I love hugs and kisses. Mommy, sit here. I sort them for you. Sit here.
Can you give me one?
Okay, take this one. Take this one.
And this one is Marshall.
That one is for who?
Wow, it's look, it's Marshall.
And this one? Mr.
Mr. Star.
And this one is also for you.
Huh?
So I don't know how many of this we bought. Bring those ones we count. This one is 1, 2, 3,
4.
we start.
Five,
We start, mama. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bring those ones. 6, 7.
8.
No.
9. These are mine.
8. Put here first. 8, 9, 10. Okay. Take them.
You can count.
You can count them. So
No,
those ones are onesies.
mine is over.
Okay, they're here. Come and count these ones. Come and count these ones, mommy. Sit here.
That one is mine.
Yes, it is yours. So we count together. This one is a tiny romper.
That's just for me.
So for a second, mom, at least you know there are things you don't buy in plenty, like
That's
this
for you.
the small clothes. This one, the small ones.
This one is for me. Huh?
Isn't it romper? Cindy? We
Vampire.
didn't buy so many because the baby grows very fast in the first trimester.
Mom,
And we'll get
these
new
ones
ones.
are mine.
We get some new ones.
How many have I counted for fake? Mom, counting for fake for 1,
Hey!
2,
Ati for what?
3.
Aya, let's count. Hizi ni kubwa. Hizi ni kubwa. So these ones are big. Let me see the edge.
These ones are so bad.
Hizi basi, we will not wash them because they are bigger. But you can even count them.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
7, 8,
I
9,
think these
10,
ones
6,
are for a bigger baby. For a
Ah.
bigger baby, let's say 3, 4 months.
Yeah.
But all these are for newborns. And then we have the other rompers.
Rompas. Give me all the rompas. Give me the rompas.
This one is big.
This
Carry
one,
this one.
this one is for big guys.
No, it's for baby Taji.
Monkey.
Blue painting.
Hizi ni kubwa kidogo.
I want the penguin. I want the penguin.
You want the penguin?
Yes.
The penguin is for you.
And then the penguin kijama for the baby.
For the baby. I
And
take
the
this one.
lion. And the, is this the monster?
Ah.
It's rainbow monster.
And this one.
Rainbow
Check this.
monster. It's just something.
And this one for mommy.
It looks orange.
It's orange.
Yes.
Orange is for?
The baby likes orange.
You have already decided.
I'm taking the lion.
I think we'll have to wash a few of them.
Now I'm gonna take all
These other ones.
Now I'm gonna take room.
So these are the thrifted ones that we bought from Baby Nila here in town, and very affordable prices.
This one is mine. Blue. Blue
And that
is
will
mine.
be it. This one, we have rompers here.
So
Hizi mmesema zinaitwa nini? Onesies ama tic-tac. These ones are tic-tac and these ones are rompers. From age 0. Let me see if this one is this one is for 6 months. So the second time, mom, you don't buy a lot of clothes, you only buy the things you need.
for the baby.
For the baby.
Yes.
So we'll go and wash them and
And-
keep them.
And take
So by
them.
the time you guys are seeing this video,
And we are
Baby Taji will be here. Right, Mama?
yes.
So thank you so much for watching this far. See you in the next one.
Wow.
Bye.